Hey everyone, and welcome. First off, I just want to say a huge congratulations to every single one of you for getting through the Introduction to AI tutorial. That is no small thing, and today we're going to take a quick victory lap and look back at the incredible journey you've just been on. No, seriously, you did it. You dove headfirst into a really complex, world-changing topic, and you came out the other side with this whole new way of understanding the tech that's literally shaping our future. So let's take a minute to celebrate that and just recap this amazing adventure. All right, let's rewind the tape. Every great adventure has to start somewhere, right? And for us, it was all about tackling that one huge fundamental question. What even is artificial intelligence? And this was our starting point. We learned that, at its heart, AI isn't some kind of magic. It's a science. It's all about building machines that can do things we normally think of as human, like understanding what we say, making a decision, or figuring out what's in a picture. This simple idea really helped cut through all the noise and hype. And right out of the gate, you learned one of the most important distinctions in this whole field, the difference between narrow AI and general AI. You now know that narrow AI is what we have today. It's awesome at one specific thing, like chess or facial recognition. And then there's the general AI from the movies, the kind that has human-like smarts for just about anything. That stuff is still just a theory. Knowing this is so key to separating what's real from what's just sci-fi. So, once we figured out the what, we moved on to the really cool part, the how. This is where your journey got into the nitty-gritty, where you got the tools to really understand the engine that makes all this modern AI stuff go. And that engine is machine learning. You get it now? Instead of writing millions of lines of code with specific rules, we just feed a computer a ton of examples and let it figure out the patterns on its own. It's kind of like how a little kid learns what a dog is, not because you explain the rules of dog, but because they've seen a bunch of them. This was a massive concept, and you totally got it. And you saw how it all breaks down into this really clear 4-step process. It kicks off with gathering a bunch of data, then you train the model, then you test it to see how well it did, and finally, you let it loose to make predictions. Suddenly, it's not this mysterious black box anymore, is it? It's a logical system. But, understanding the how is only half the picture. Your journey then took a really important turn into some trickier topics. You went beyond just the science and started to really wrestle with AI's impact on the real world and, well, the pretty high stakes involved. I love this slide because it captures one of the biggest things you learned. AI has these incredible superpowers, right? It can sift through giant piles of data and work 24/7, but, and this is a big but, it also has major limitations. It doesn't actually understand anything, it has zero common sense, and it can't be creative or empathetic. It's a powerful tool for us, not a replacement for us. And those stakes got really clear when we talked about ethics. This 35%, that's not just a statistic. As you learned, it represents a huge jump in how often facial recognition fails for people with darker skin. It's a perfect and pretty scary example of how biased data creates unfair AI that can hurt real people. So here's the thing. You didn't just learn that AI can be biased. You learned why. It comes from the data we feed it and the bad assumptions we might make when we build it. And because you understand the cause, you're now part of the generation that can actually help fix it. Which brings us to, honestly, my favorite part of this whole journey. The moment you shifted from being a learner to being a creator. You're not just someone who uses AI anymore. You're someone who gets it and can start to build with it. And this just shows what's possible. You saw how AI can be this amazing force for good. We're talking about potentially saving 30 million lives in healthcare, making wildlife monitoring way more accurate, and even cutting the time it takes to discover new medicines in half. This is the kind of impact that's now on the table for you. And you don't have to wait to get started. You were introduced to this whole set of awesome, easy-to-use tools like Teachable Machine and Scratch. These are real platforms you can go to right now, like today, and start training your own AI models. The door is wide open, so I really hope you go play around with them. So as we start to wrap this up, we're not just looking back, we're also looking forward. Because this tutorial, it wasn't the finish line, it was the starting block. Your journey with AI is really just getting started. You learned that in a world with more and more AI, these human skills don't disappear. They actually become your superpowers. Things like critical thinking, creativity, empathy, that's the stuff AI can't do, and it makes you more valuable than ever. This quote from the course just nails it, doesn't it? The future of AI, it isn't set in stone. It's a story that's being written as we speak, and now you've got the knowledge to help write it. Just pause and think about that for a second. In a pretty short amount of time, you've done so much. You actually get how AI works. You have a smart, balanced view of what it's good at and what it's not, and you have access to tools to start making your own ideas real. So we're going to end with this question. It's a challenge, for sure, but it's also an invitation. The knowledge is yours now. The power to create, to solve problems, and to shape what's next is in your hands. So go on, go out there and build something amazing.